Gut health is an essential aspect of overall well-being, yet many people overlook the signs that their digestive system is in distress. Understanding the warning signs that your gut health may be in trouble can empower you to take action before more serious issues arise. Here are 10 common symptoms that indicate your gut might need some attention, along with practical solutions to help you restore balance. First and foremost, let's talk about bloating. If you often feel like your stomach is swollen or distended, you're not alone. Bloating can be caused by various factors, including food intolerances, overeating, or even swallowing air while eating. To combat bloating, consider keeping a food diary to identify potential triggers. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can also help, as can incorporating digestive-friendly foods like ginger and peppermint into your diet. Staying hydrated and engaging in regular physical activity can further alleviate bloating. Next up is constipation. If you find yourself struggling to have regular bowel movements or experiencing discomfort during them, this could be a sign of gut trouble. Constipation can stem from a lack of fiber in your diet, dehydration, or a sedentary lifestyle. To improve your gut health, aim to increase your fiber intake by consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Drinking plenty of water is crucial, as hydration helps to keep things moving. Regular exercise can also stimulate your digestive system, making it easier to maintain regularity. Diarrhea is another sign that your gut health may be compromised. Frequent loose or watery stools can be caused by infections, food intolerances, or stress. If you experience diarrhea, it's essential to stay hydrated, as you can lose a significant amount of fluids. Consuming bland foods like bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast can help soothe your digestive system. If diarrhea persists for more than a couple of days, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any serious underlying conditions. Insomnia is often overlooked as a gut health issue, but the connection between sleep and digestion is significant. Poor gut health can lead to disruptions in sleep patterns, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. To improve both your sleep and gut health, consider establishing a calming bedtime routine. Reducing caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon, can also help. Incorporating probiotics into your diet, whether through supplements or fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, may support gut health and improve sleep quality. Another common symptom of gut distress is food intolerances. If you notice that certain foods consistently lead to discomfort, such as gas, bloating, or abdominal pain, it may be time to investigate further. Common culprits include lactose, gluten, and certain high FODMAP foods. An elimination diet can be a helpful way to identify specific intolerances. Once identified, you can work on finding suitable alternatives that won't upset your digestive system while ensuring you still get the nutrients you need. Fatigue can also be a warning sign that your gut health is not where it should be. The gut plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption, and if it's not functioning properly, you may not be getting the energy you need from your food. To combat fatigue, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, and consider incorporating gut-supportive nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which can be found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Additionally, managing stress through mindfulness practices and regular exercise can help boost your energy levels. Skin issues such as acne, eczema, or rashes can also be linked to gut health. The gut microbiome influences inflammation and immune responses, and an imbalance can manifest in skin problems. To support skin and gut health, prioritize a diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3s, and probiotics. Foods like berries, leafy greens, nuts, and fermented products can help promote a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn may lead to clearer skin. Cravings for sugar or unhealthy foods can indicate an imbalance in gut bacteria. When the gut microbiome is out of whack, it can lead to increased cravings for sugar and processed foods, perpetuating a cycle of poor eating habits. To combat this, focus on nourishing your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Incorporating more fiber-rich foods can also help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Probiotics can play a role here too, as they help restore balance to the gut flora. Another warning sign of gut trouble is bad breath, or halitosis. While it's often dismissed as a simple hygiene issue, persistent bad breath can indicate an underlying digestive problem, such as acid reflux or an imbalance in gut bacteria. To address this, practice good oral hygiene, including brushing your tongue and staying hydrated. Additionally, Consider incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet to help balance your gut microbiome and potentially improve breath freshness. Lastly, if you find yourself experiencing frequent mood swings or heightened anxiety, your gut health could be a contributing factor. The gut-brain connection is a fascinating area of study, revealing that the health of your gut can significantly impact your mental well-being. To support both your gut and mood, focus on a diet rich in whole foods, healthy fats, and probiotics. Regular physical activity and mindfulness practices can also help regulate mood and promote overall mental health. In summary, recognizing the warning signs of gut health issues is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. Bloating, constipation, diarrhea, insomnia, food intolerances, fatigue, skin issues, sugar cravings, bad breath, and mood swings are all indicators that your gut may need some TLC. By paying attention to these symptoms and making dietary and lifestyle changes, you can help restore balance to your gut and improve your overall health. Remember, your gut is often referred to as your second brain, and taking care of it is essential for living a vibrant, healthy life.